One of my friends defied my two daughters.
So she got fire accident. The fire exploded for her body. Then we take her to hospital. As we take her to hospital, then give her treatment. The treatment no respond. And one nurse, she can't call me back for one side say, this kind sickness, you need all this native doctor so that she can recover. Quite sure within 1 week, the girl they recover for her body. So as they finish the treatment, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, getting to 4 months, I come out, I come back. I don't see my daughter.
He tell me he need to go chop food. That he go carry my kids. I tell him, say no. Before you go, drop my kids. As you can see, I know where I need 2 of them today by my side. Then Nima insist say must carry them. That my kids is yours. Toward that day, I no see 2 of them till next day. That next day, as early as 6 o'clock in the morning, the guy carry a vehicle with my 2 kids, drop them from my front of shop. Then I look back for my daughter. I can't see blood. I can't ask the boy, what happened? He tell me say no be him. Who do am? He no gree. Before I call police.
Around 4 o'clock in the evening, I go to the church. I tell my daughter to prepare and come and meet me for the church. I carry the youngest one, go around, remain my daughter to prepare to come and meet me to church. So, as we finish church, I didn't see my daughter for the church. So my daughter tell me that as I went to church, he prepared the church. Say he hear somebody knock for door. He say he now say yes. The man now call her name. He now go open door. Say he answer. He now ask him, what of your mother? He tell her that I am go to church. He say, what of your youngest one? He say, they are go with me for church. The man now told her to come and help her. Come and help him and buy drugs. My daughter now told her, so okay. He now straighten his hand like this. The man to give her the money for the drugs. The man now holding hand, pushing on the parlor, pushing on our chair. My daughter shout. He cover her mouth. My daughter strong. There is a nail in our chair. It's in her leg. The man overpower my daughter because my daughter is 13 years. He overpower her. He rape her. After he rape her finish, he want her. You don't want to hear her for anybody's mouth. Even if you will come house, ask her, make he didn't tell us. If he tell us, we go kill her.
I can't go report from police station. See what happen. I don't know any of my daughter out there. I didn't find her for March when they start this lockdown. I just sit down for house. The same friend come call me. Come say she see my daughter. She say I should come. She say I should come and meet her for police station. What make me vex? You dey sleep with this pikin. You carry her go hotel. Man dey sleep with her. You dey collect money. You come back inside compound. They beat her. Now you dey collect money for her. Now you go price how much you go pay so that you go sleep with another person pikin. As they carry this case for police station, about money, then give them money. Police start. They change that kid. These policemen people, they are unfair. They are not really help and do their work at all. If you be poor person for police, you will die.
As police arrest him, police ask him who do am, inte police na him. For this world, I no get any other person except my 2 daughters. The shop where I open, no dey function anymore. I just abandoned it, everything like that. Sometimes her sense go come, sometimes her sense no go come. He say that vagina e open well. Even as she dey waka, even say she dey jump. So she know dey waka well, and always I dey give her medicine two days. In a week 2 times. In a week 2 times.
Dem come postpone that policeman when he come arrest that man. As dem postpone them, the man come bribe the ones who remain for the police station. As he bribe them, they come turn the case upside down. They telling us to say we go pay the man damage. The man they tell us say we go pay him damage. We go pay him damage with tire to pay him damage. They carry my daughter go inside one room. They ask my daughter to raise her hand up. They say she kneel down. They bring handcuff. The other one remove his shoe. Tell my daughter say make you no mention only that man name. Make you mention another person name. If not, then go lock him. We will not see anybody again, even us. Even when we be parents, we will not see anybody. Only him go stand for there. After a month, because the man have money and they has people, then go and bury the man. After them bury the man come back for house. We call our daughter Ron because he already tell my daughter say if you kill her. Every month we are going to court, we are paying lawyer. And this is my daughter get pregnant. They no make sure that immediately they make sure our own kids the case the court will hold. But if they make sure our own case, they postpone them another month. See, my daughter born. Through my daughter pregnant, we suffer a lot. Everything we hold for hand, all of them finish. We begin to bolo. Moga go de bolo. Bolo finish, carry come. We pay. Because of this case, my children no longer going to school because they send them for school fees, so they didn't have money to pay. All of them staying at home. Because of this case, our house rent are finished. Landlord gave me a quick notice.
We no dey for our house. We need house to move. We need how we will start our new life. And children's school. See them now, 4 of them. They dey house. Because of running up and down. We don't know where they will catch us.
This government, if you no get people, no get person who go help you, all those kind of incidents, nobody go look after you. You say, I know how much I spend for police command.
Through all this pain, government, police no help us anything. They just turn everything round. Court people no helping us. I want to demand to be enter inside prison so that my daughter and her child will be safe. Their life will be secure. If not, you try by all means to kill them. I want house so that me and my family will stay together. And I want my children to resume to school.